Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan was reportedly hospitalized in Ahmedabad after suffering a heat stroke during the Kolkata Knight Riders versus Sunrisers Hyderabad match at the Narendra Modi Stadium there in Ahmedabad. Now, Shah Rukh Khan, who was at the first IPL playoff match with his daughter Suhana and son Abraham, was admitted to KG Hospital following a rise in the temperatures. Now, KKR's stellar performance against SRH in the IPL 2024 qualifier 1 thrilled every fan of the team in bubble, including co-owner Shah Rukh Khan, who was present in the stands. Now, accompanied by his children and manager, Shah Rukh was seen celebrating. Co-owners Juhi Chawla and Jay Mehta, along with Suhana's friend Ananya Pandey, Shania Kapoor, Navya Nanda, and Augusta Nanda were also in attendance during the match. Now, after the match, Shah Rukh, Suhana and Abraham took a victory lap around the stadium, greeting the spectators. The Jawan star delighted the audience with his signature pose and folded hands as well. During this time, Shah Rukh inadvertently interrupted a live broadcast being conducted by former India cricketer Suresh Raina, Akash Chopra and Parthiv Patel. After realizing his mistake, Shah Rukh in fact quickly apologized and hugged them as well. Now, this is the recent report that has come out from the Ahmedabad. Certainly a very shocking news for every King Khan fan that now he has been hospitalized after undergoing a heat stroke. At the moment, he is in hospital is what we are learning according to our sources. We'll keep bringing you as and when we receive more updates about the story about him being hospitalized and his condition updates as well. But you stay tuned to CNN News 18 and let us know what you think about the news in the comment section as well.